All right. Hey, y'all. Overlook this house road, but I just wanted to invite y'all in my kitchen again. Today, we're going to make some air fried chicken drumsticks. We're going to use some lemon pepper seasoning, a little bit of sea salt, some garlic powder, and some black pepper, a little bit of Progresso Italian style breadcrumbs, and this Power Air Fryer XL. Now, since I like the lemon pepper seasoning, okay, put this, I like the seasoning of the lemon pepper, so I sprinkle that on there first. I love garlic powder. I sprinkle a little garlic powder. Then you sprinkle a little pepper. So I'm trying to show y'all a little something. And then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of this sea salt. So y'all might have seen like more than a little bit, but it's barely any sprinkles come out. Flip that chicken over with this tongs. And then go back and I do lemon pepper on that side. My garlic powder. My pepper. And then my salt. A little bit of salt because it brings all the flavors together. Uh-oh. Now, I use this tablespoon when I'm doing my breadcrumbs because it helps me sprinkle it on there a little bit better. Just kind of sprinkle it like this. And then what I do, I open the air fryer. Of course, I spray just a little bit of the cooking spray in here. Because with the breadcrumbs and stuff, I don't be want my chicken to stick to the bottom. And that's the olive oil spray that I use. It's still mainly air fried. Ain't no grease that I'm just pouring in here or nothing like that. And then I put my chickens in here. Put this over here on my little silverware holder. Then I kind of use what's in here to sprinkle on the other side. Now, I want to see if I can show y'all this without dumping my chicken on the floor up close. Let me tilt this down. See how it looks with the seasoning and everything in there. Let me see, Well, it's kind of getting a shadow from the pan itself, but you'll see what it looks like. But see, mine has a manual button or pre-settings. So I'd like to use the chicken setting or the french fry setting. I'm going to do the chicken setting, but I'm going to raise my temperature from 360 up to the 380 and let it cook. The time it has on here is 20 minutes. And then I'll show you all what it looks like after it's finished cooking. Do the chicken. We didn't use this here air fryer so much, my hand will be messed up. So I ain't gonna hold it out. See how nice and brown it's starting to look? I'm gonna flip them over so they can start cooking some on the other side more. And we're gonna have some chicken to eat here in a minute. All right, y'all, let's check this chicken out. Cause when I thought about it, I think when I did these the other day, I did me some at 15 minutes. I didn't let it quite stay the whole 20. Bottom of this pan is usually pretty hot. I want to try to show y'all what the chicken looks like. Oh, this is awkward. Well, just wait till I plate it, I guess. Ooh, child. I don't know how to be videoing no cooking and stuff. This is all new for me. All right, y'all. We have 5 minutes left on this chicken. We're gonna go ahead on and take it out. Plate it. Y'all see how nice that look. Turn my air fryer off. See, there y'all go. There's the nicely fried chicken. And Of course, I had some leftover greens, canned greens, honey. These ain't the homemade ones that I do. And this is some little easy mac and cheese. Because the sister is tired from work today. All right, y'all have a good one. Make sure you let me know in the comments whether or not you try the air fryer, or if you have an air fryer, what you think about an air fryer, what you fry with your air fryer, you know, all that good stuff. And share, subscribe to me. All right, talk to y'all later. Peace. We out.